If you are in the welding robot integration business and you have seen your performance getting worse since 2023 and the business is getting tougher, please do not just blame it on a crowded market and don't think you are being elimination. The truth is you might be in the wrong path. I have been in the welding robot industry for about 20 years and have sold tens of thousands of units. I have seen a lot of integrators working very hard but in the wrong path, and their effort is largely wasted. Why do I say so? Over the past 30 years, more than 400,000 industrial robots have been installed in China. But consider which sectors did these robots is used for. Thin walled tube industries like medical devices, fitness equipment, bicycles, tricycles. These are all high volume and low mixed production models. But here is a problem. The companies in these fields that were going to buy robots have already bought them. The remaining potential clients are either a few new build factories which are rare in current economy, and the companies that are struggling themselves and facing elimination. If you are competing very hard in this sunset segment, it's not your method that is wrong, it's your direction. With the wrong direction, the only outcome is falling behind. So, where is the way out? You don't know, in the sheet metal industry, we typically focus on only represent about 30% of the total welding requirements. What about the other 70%? The vast untapped market belongs to the world of medium and heavy plate. Think about shipbuilding, bridges, steel structures, construction machinery, coal mining machinery, mining equipment, environmental production equipment, and so on. The automation rate in these heavy industries is still less than 5%. Why it is so low? Because their production model is low volume and high mixed. They might really have two identical products. Traditional industrial robot is simply cannot handle this. They cannot handle this need for flexibility. And this is really golden opportunities for collaborative welding Cobot. I'm Roy. Thanks very much.